Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with two refreshing and healthy smoothie recipes. First one is with orange and banana. So let's see how to make this. Here I have 3 bananas. Cut them into small pieces. So these bananas I'm going to freeze it for overnight. Frozen bananas will give a nice creamy texture for this smoothies. Next ingredient is orange. Peel off the skin and cut them into small pieces. So now I'm going to prepare the smoothie. Here I have frozen bananas, adding small chunks of orange, 1 cup of water. Blend it well until it gives a very smooth and creamy texture. I'm going to serve it on a serving glass, just decorating this with some chocolate syrup on the edges, dropping some ice cubes, filling the glass with prepared smoothie, and it's ready. Next one is a very refreshing drink, strawberry smoothie. Let's see how to prepare this. Here I have 1 cup of frozen strawberries, adding 2.5 tablespoons of oats, 1 cup of milk, blending it well. For sweetness, I am adding 1 tablespoon of honey. You can even add sugar. And it's ready to serve. So I hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.